Dear candidates, in this video I am going to launch the creative ability test or the CAT examination and show you step by step how to use device 1 to launch the CAT exam and then subsequently device 2 to pair it. Now the test will start and we will see the questions, attempt the answers, and then again use device 2 to click photographs of your answers or your drawings and then upload the PDF made using device 2 to the examination. So all of this I'm going to show in this video. So as before and as shown in a separate video, you can go to NIFT admissions using your device 1. You can add the roll number, you can press on submit, and you will land up at the test portal. You will use the user ID and password which you have in your admit card and you will press sign in. When you press sign in, you will come to the main page of your test portal, and over here you will find the paper that you need to give right now. Since this is a mock session, so both the papers are being shown, but remember, depending upon which shift you are appearing in and which paper you are eligible for in that shift, only one of these papers will be shown. So since this is about the CAT test, so I'm selecting the CAT test and I come to the examination screen. The basic instructions of the exam is over here, basic details, and I am now going to do the camera and browser checking of the system. Now everything is available and the camera is ready. I do a photograph, I do a face recognition, and now the system does a complete check and I am thrown back to the examination screen, and now it asks me to set the second device. So I press on second device, and now on the screen I have the QR code which I need to use using device 2 to pair with my device 1. So now I need to go to device 2. There is a separate video also, but I'm going to show it in this video again. So now I will go to device 2. So this is my device 2, and to pair device 2 with device 1 I need the You Can Assess app, and so I am going to launch the You Can Assess app, and now here I am going to choose pair device because I'm going to pair device 2 with device 1. So I'm going to click on pair device. So I click on pair device and it asks me to lock my screen and move forward. I press yes, and then I press got it. Now my screen is locked and I need to scan the QR code which is being shown on the screen of device 1. So I press on scan QR, and now in front of me is device 1 and I scan the QR code. Now the moment I scan the QR code, my device 2 is now paired and it is ready to allow me to take the test from device 1 moving forward. So now that the device 2 is paired with my device 1, so my exam page gets refreshed and I am now able to see the start exam button. So since the exam is already started, so I'm going to press on start exam. So when I press on start exam for the CAT test, I am going to see screen 1 with all the questions to which I need to draw or write answers on blank A4 sheets. So all the questions are available on the screen. So now for the CAT test, you need to start reading the questions on the screen, and one by one you need to start drawing or attempting your answers on the blank A4 sheet. Remember, you don't need to do anything on the screen. The screen will be available over here for you to read the questions one by one and start drawing or attempting and writing your answers on the blank A4 sheets which you have on your desk. Once you have attempted all the questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever are there in the actual exam, and then you will press next to upload your answers. So I repeat, read all the questions, attempt them, draw your answers or responses, whatever you need to do on the blank A4 sheet, and then once you are completed doing the entire activity or all your answers are all done, then you press on next. All of this time, make sure that you are clearly visible on the camera of device 1 and device 2 is properly placed as instructed in the student guide. So I'm going to press on next. So when I press on next, it comes to screen 2 where there is a instructions are there which tell you that you need to upload all your answers as a single PDF file. And how do you do that? So that's written over here too. To make the PDF file, stop the proctoring on device 2, then go back to the dashboard on device 2, choose PDF upload, and then use that option to click photographs of the answer sheets and then scan this QR code using device 2 to upload it. I'm going to show how this is done on device 2 just now. So now to upload using device 2, I'm going to go to device 2 and I'm going to use the cross button to stop the proctoring. So I'm just pressing on the cross button and I come back to where the locking screen was and I want to get out. So I say that I don't want to lock it. So now the lock is removed and I go back again and I will come to the dashboard and now I will use PDF upload. So I will choose PDF upload and this is the first time I'm using it, so there are no files. So I will press on the plus button so that I can create the file of the answers that I have drawn. So I press on this. Now this is my first drawing on an A4 sheet, so I press on the camera icon to take a photograph, and if there are more drawings I can take photographs of another page and subsequently another page, and assuming say there are 4 drawings, so I can make 4 pages, and once the 4 pages are clicked I can press on next, and you can see that all my 4 pages are over here. If you want that the arrangement is not proper, you could do drag and drop, or if the same thing is fine, then you can press on save. So when I press on save, then it asks me to put a name. So let me say NIFT answer file, and I press submit to save the file, and so now here is my answer file as a PDF. And now to upload this PDF, remember this file is still on your mobile and you need to upload it. So to upload it, you need to press on the green upload cloud button. So I'm going to press on the green upload cloud button. Now it says scan the QR code shown in your online examination. So remember on device 1 we had on the upload screen we had the QR code. So that's what we need to sign. So here is the QR code and I'm going to sign it. There, your file has been uploaded and you get the uploaded successfully symbol over here, which means that your file is successfully uploaded. So that's how you need to upload your file. So once you have uploaded the PDF file using device 2 on your screen on device 1, also you will see the file appear. So this is a second confirmation to you that your file has been very much uploaded. So you got a successful confirmation on device 2 when you uploaded it, and we saw that. And also on your screen on device 1 you are going to see the successfully uploaded file with the same 4 pages and the file size of the file that you have uploaded. Now, since the file is uploaded, we are going to proceed forward and press on next. Now, don't get surprised. Remember that because in device 2 you had removed the pairing and you had used the PDF upload option, so now it is saying that your exam has been paused as your second device has been disconnected. So choose from the options given below to proceed ahead. Since we have already uploaded our file, we want to now pair it again and resume the test. In case you have accidentally come or got disconnected accidentally, then you might want to upload the PDF answers for the previous question from here itself. So either way, once you have used device 2 by the PDF upload option, then you will need to pair it back for you to proceed forward. So right now I'm going to say I want to pair my second device because I have already uploaded my answer. And when I click that, I get a yellow button which says click to pair second device and resume. Now, when I will click this, it will repeat the same process that we had done some time back for launching the exam in the first place. So it will show me the QR code, and you need to go to device 2 and use the pair device option and then scan this QR code. The moment you scan this QR code, the screen over here is going to get refreshed, and again you get the start exam button. We press on start exam, and this is a step which we had done earlier, and we press on next. Our file is very much here as before. Then we press on next, and now we get a final confirmation saying that yes, this is your file, and this is a system generated name for the file. It is not the same one which you used in your device 2 when you were saving it. It's a system generated name, so don't worry about that. But again, over here you have the number of pages, the file size of the file, and you can be very sure that yes, the file is very much uploaded. Now, once you're sure, you can click on save and finish. In case you have made some mistake, then you can go back, you can go to previous, and you can repeat the process. If you repeat the process, then what will happen is that the new file will replace the old file. So in case you have made some mistake and you have mistakenly uploaded something else, or you have left some pages, don't worry, don't panic. Repeat this process with the correct file, and your old file will get replaced by the new file. And subsequently you can again pair your device 2 and come back to screen 3 and see that your new file is very much here. And now that I have checked everything, I am fairly sure that yes, everything is done. I can click on save and finish. Now when I click on save and finish, it still prompts me once more, and we can say no and we can go back, or we can say yes and we can finish the test. And once we finish the test, we can then simply log out from the test interface, and that would be how we can end our CAT examination successfully. Remember one thing, that the total time which is being displayed over here will be actually the time for you to read the questions, for you to draw or write the answers to the questions, and it also includes the time for you to use device 2 to click photographs, make a PDF and upload it using the process shown. So this is total time. So it is very important, candidates, that you manage your time, plan your time in a manner that you have 15 minutes remaining for you to upload your file, so that you're not in a panic mode and you are able to both attempt the paper, do justice to the answers that you need to write, finish them on time, and then finally upload the file with time left. And you can practice this during the mock sessions, and you can, so that you becomes comfortable and you are not puzzled by what I need to do next. So with that, you will be able to finish your CAT examination, and it will be important for you that you keep in mind that this is the total time. So once everything is done, as I mentioned, you can press on logout and you will come back to the login screen and your test would have been successfully submitted.